Hello, I'm Justin. Today I would like to give you a solution on the problem of rematching of wireless rear view kit M1W. Generally, this product was finished pairing before they leave the factory. As long as the camera and the display are connected to a voltage of about 12 volts, they can work normally. If there is a black screen or a pairing text on screen, it need to be paired again. So here we go. We now simulating a car start suit. Current situation are 12 voltage, so the monitor and camera are powered on, but the monitor goes to black, so we need according to the following method to rematch it. First of all, press menu button behind the monitor, it will show a text pairing, then press the plus or dash, will show countdown 30 seconds. At the same time we need to restart the camera in these 30 seconds, which is to let the camera power off and then power on, and wait for a few seconds. Next will be matched successful and show camera image. So if you have connected the camera to the license plate lamp, just closing the license plate lamp, then open the license plate light for a few seconds. At the countdown seconds, will finish pairing. If you have connected the camera to the reversing light, only need to hang up end gear and then hang R for several seconds. If not successful yet, there must be something wrong with the camera. We can send you a replacement camera. Thank you for your watching. If you have any problems, please contact service@veclisasclub.com.